Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I'd like to introduce you to the 320 Sundancer Sea Ray 2020. This boat is the hybrid of the Sea Ray Sundancers. As we walk through the boat, we do have a transom shower. As we move forward to the boat, we have a summer kitchen, electric grill, refrigeration system, and a sink. You also have an optional table that drops in right here. This boat does have the teak flooring, and you do have storage underneath all of the cushions right here. Great for entertaining, cruising, water sports. It's a very universal boat. This boat does have the surshade, the sunshade, to protect you from the sun. We also have a sunroof, a flip-flopping seat for a little bit different kind of configuration for entertaining. And then you have a double wide helm seat, which does have a joystick. The boat's also equipped with your SIMRAD. You have two SIMRAD screens, GPS chart plotter, radar, depth finder. As we come forward to the bow of the boat, this is where the hybrid boat comes into play. You have a Sundancer with an open bow. Great for entertaining, day cruising, plenty of cup holders, and you also have a windlass. This boat does have a cabin, so if you're out there cruising, maybe you want to sleep for the weekend, come on down and let me show you the cabin. It does sleep 4. So we have a little filler bed right here, sleeps 2 in the V berth. Another refrigeration system, microwave. We also have a nice size head with a shower. It's a vacuum flush head, freshwater head. And then in the aft of the boat, we do have sleeping for 2. For more information on this 320 Sundancer Sea Ray 2020, please call Keith at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.